Hi students, sorry I can't be with you today. I still would like you to give a try of this group activity. So typically people think that they are great candidates for a loan, whether it's a car loan, personal loan, or a mortgage loan. This activity is going to force you to think and discuss what it would take for the bank to give you a loan. So first directions are for students to get in groups of 3 to 4 people. I'm going to go ahead and make those groups for you, and the sub will have that information. Choose one group member to be the bank, and I'm going to go ahead and give that opportunity to a person as well, and everyone else is going to be the loan applicants. As a group, I want you to discuss what questions the bank should ask loan applicants. Write these questions down, and yes, you're going to have to turn them in. As a high school student, what proof would you need of the borrower's ability to repay the loan? Write down a few examples of what the bank will need for a high school student to get a loan. Once you're done with that, the bank employees must look over loan applications, conduct interviews of the other loan applicants to determine who they would and would not give a loan to. The bank must tell each loan applicant if they were accepted or denied. As a loan applicant, you must decide what type of loan that you're applying for, and I should also put and how much money you need. It's your choice, and it's just for fun. And then you need to fill out the loan application. The loan application looks like this, and you're going to fill it out and give it to the bank. The person that's a bank's going to look at your loan application, and they're going to ask you the 5 questions that you guys discussed creating at the beginning. Again, this is just for practice. When you're finished, you're going to take an exit ticket quiz on Socrative. I'm going to keep that live, and it may not be Socrative. I might actually, I'm going to actually change it and take a quiz on Canvas, and I'll make the link live tomorrow. So there's your activity for the day. Again, I want you to turn in your questions. I want you to turn in your application, staple everything together, and then do the quick quiz on Canvas. Again, sorry I can't be with you. If you have any questions or concerns, you're more than welcome to message me.